This is a tutorial video for identifying a life health safety risk, also known as an LHS, while on-site on the Motili on-site mobile app. Life health safety risks can fall into two categories, property or equipment, and each has a variety of LHS reasons associated. If you run into an instance that you would classify as an LHS but can complete the work order, we request that you do. In this case, you will identify this during the submission process of the work order. Therefore, after all of your requirements such as checklists, photos, asset, or equipment tagging have been completed and you proceed to submit the work order, you will be required to answer a question that reads, "Was there a life health safety risk on site?" You will select yes or no. If there was not, you will select no and continue answering the following questions. If there was, you will select yes. You will then be required to identify if it was a property or an equipment LHS risk. Property risks are in regards to the overall property and do not relate to a specific piece of equipment. If the LHS concern is due to a particular piece of equipment, you would select equipment and choose the associated reason. If you do not see an option for why you would classify this as a life, health, safety risk, select Other and provide a description in the following open text box. Next, you will be required to upload a photo that captures the example of the LHS risk you encountered. Once uploaded, you will complete any additional questions required during the submission process and tap Submit. If you cannot complete the work order due to the life health safety risk, you can identify this concern from the home screen of the work order by tapping the button labeled LHS with the warning icon. Here, you will go through the same process reviewed above, identifying if this is a property or equipment related LHS risk and applying additional information and photos and tapping Submit. Motili will be made aware of your concern and will reach out to you if there are any questions or if any additional details are needed.